All right, we got Kyle up here on a day that he hates biking in the cold, wet rain. But Mark, Isaiah, Mark and I are going to do this. Here we go. How was that a good monologue, you guys? I'm trying to work on my monologues.
It was so good.
My intro, thank you. I felt it.
Shall we?
Yeah. What order are we going in? Same, go for it.
I'm following him.
Go for it. Mark, me or you?
You.
Okay.
Go for it.
Let's rip. Squeaky brakes. Oh yeah, it's been a day since I've done this. Whew. Oh yeah. Those roots are really slick. Okay. Woo! Oh yeah, this feels like way better than last time I did this. Oh yeah, a little sideways action. Here we go. Woo!
Straight off the edge.
I did too. Okay, that's the kind of tech I love.
Yeah.
I love that.
Dude, that was perfect.
It was a little squirrely though.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
There's a couple good spots.